Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code extension which directly allows you to execute all the packaged JSON scripts with a single click. So go to the extensions tab and just search for this extension, which is npm run. So this extension will come. It's a fairly new extension. 5,000 installs are there. So simply click the install button. So what this is, it will do. So if you have an existing package.json file and if you have declared some of the scripts here, it will just add a run button right in this file itself. So after activating this extension, you will see this run button available. Click the install button. Just activate this extension. So after you open package.json file, you will see this run button appearing alongside with each script here. You click the run button, it will automatically start your, you can see it is executing the script here automatically in the terminal. So you don't need to do manually, go to that command line, just type npm run start. It will do automating thing for you. You can just run the test script as well. So you can see that how easy it is. So it basically prints out this, just put this run button right in the package JSON file itself. So you can have multiple scripts mentioned right here, and for each script there will be the run button. So this is the extension of VS Code. Definitely install it, and this, it will automate all your package JSON scripts with a single click. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.